a great plant to have in your garden. They're really good for the insects, and they're very much so an ornamental as well. They have tons of flowers on multiple stalks usually, and they come in every colour there is available to. And some of them are medicinal as well, like the marshmallow. Here's one of the plants, and we'd like to emphasize the fact that it's actually a herbaceous perennial. It will actually die back to the ground every winter, and it'll come back, as you can see here. There's multiple stalks that are going to go to about that height, maybe about 6 or 7 feet, or $1.50 to 2 meters, as you can see there. It's quite a substantial plant. I want to just show you guys how easy it is to actually prune that back. This is all the work you're going to have to do with this, all the maintenance for the whole year. So take your pruners. So in a matter of about 2 minutes you can prune that back. The leaves are actually medicinal. They can be made into a tea for if you have a rough throat, for example, or in the winter time, and they have mucilage in them. And the root used to be made into marshmallows. Yeah, so the mallow plants come in many forms. For example, this is the wood mallow right here, and it's actually one of the best edible salad green leaves. As you can see here, it does even look quite ornamental, but it will flower purple and multiple stalks. You can see here, normally it would grow a bit taller than that, but this is only the springtime now, and there's multiple stems growing up now. So that one is the wood mallow. So here are some of the stalks from the marshmallow plant. These actually make for a great little insect hotel if you simply place them in the garden. And here's another type of mallow. This one actually flowers pink, and even have a quick video here what it looks like in the summertime. And you can see it's gotten almost out of hand. It's grown just onto the path here. So what I'm going to do is cut it back a little bit and actually grow new plants from the softwood cuttings. But you can see here it's a substantial plant now, and the leaves are very, very soft. Not entirely sure on the medicinal properties of this one, because I can't be sure that it's not the original one anyway, not the original marshmallow. But as you can see as well, it is a woody plant, so it's kind of more of a shrub than a herbaceous perennial. The marshmallow plant, I think, is the only mallow in that type of plant that dies back to the ground in the winter time. So yeah, that's all there's to it now. I'll throw in a quick video here now of a black mallow. Here's what it looks like, and yeah, that's all there's to it for now. Yeah, so overall mallows are a great plant to have. It's medicinal, it's ornamental, it's great for the wildlife, it's an insectary, it brings all the beneficial insects into your garden, it's perennial, and it's low maintenance. What more could you ask for? So that's all there is to it for now. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.